On to the second job here. Is the one I got to replace the injector. I come in here to the garage and see that. It scared the shit out of me because it's kind of dark in here. It looks bright through the camera. 2017 Ford Escape. This is the one that I diagnosed for a bad engine. And then they had the engine replaced, and then they had a fuel smell that nobody could find at the shop that did it. For whatever reason that is, but I was able to find the leak fairly easy. I just used my eyes and looked, and number 4 injector was leaking. He's got one injector. I'm going to try to do just the one. I highly recommended the whole set. Money's tight right now, so I'm going to do the best I can, and he understands if the other ones start leaking, it's going to have to get redone. So this has to come off. These are Torx. I think this is 15, and it is. Let's give this a little shake. Usually they'll come off. Usually. There you go. Wiggle, wiggle. Yeah. Come on. There you go. That's wonderful. Use my DeWalt Milwaukee gun. Never done one of these before for the injectors, and I don't know if there's actually if I actually have to take this off or not, but so I can see them right here. Maybe I'll clean those out. So it's just 210. I'm going to crack this loose, put a rag under it. A little pressure in there. Not too bad. I'm going to take it off of here too. Oop, yep. I gotta figure out how to get those clips off. I don't know if you can see that down there, but those clips are way down there. So I gotta get those clips off. And looks like some kind of nut or something there. I don't know what that is. And you see where I took the fuel line off, there's no trail of fuel, but you can see it's all wet down there. That's from that number 4 injector. There's no way for me to film this. So that's just too bad. I can barely see it myself. Come on, come on. Oh yeah. Perfect. Perfect. Exactly what I wanted. All right. There's O-rings still left in there, so I got to be mindful about that. I don't have an injector puller for this vehicle, but I do have one. Audi, Volkswagen, European crap. So I'm going to try it. Stick this in here. Maybe. I do wish this was longer. this, keep it on there. That didn't work. I think it's just bending the flange, which is not what I want to do. That might work. Just wrecking it is all. No, this ain't gonna fit. This motherfucker. There's gotta be a way, bro. I really don't think that's gonna work. I think he's just gonna smash it and make my life living hell. Dang. A little tight. Maybe this will work, huh? Ha! Did not work. I could see the case for buying the right tools. Come on, Snap-on, make me my money. I bought this friggin' 20-something years ago, 20 years ago. Probably super expensive. I remember I never looked at prices before because I just had to have it. Some things never change. Oh, that was a nice pinch. Thank you, Snap-on. Whew. All right. That guy was in there, huh? Whew. Trash. Now, the lube is not for the Teflon seal. Clean that out. Hopefully I got all of it off. I gotta do it without damaging them. Hopefully I could just pop it in. I don't know. Probably should put the clip on first. Oh, that kind of went in on its own. I'm gonna look for that screw that fell. It's probably in the belly pan. Oh, there it is. Awesome. Sweet. Alright, I want to try to spread these a little bit. I'm going to put a little dab on here. Spread it with my finger. This is just silicone grease. A little dab like that. Put it on here as a guide. And use my fingers to pop it on. What I was doing, this. Stick it in there. I'm not jamming it all the way down because, well, this injector is obviously trash, but I'm just sticking it in as a guide, letting it fall onto it. And then with my other finger from up top, I'm just grabbing it. Oh, that's a bad example. Just grabbing it and then just popping it on like that. Now you got to line up the clips, because the clips have to go through the little slots. Oop, and like that. I don't know what the torque spec is yet. Click. So it's on, and what I'm doing is I'm just pushing it down with this till I hear it click. Like that. 23 foot-pounds. Order is 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'll go again. I go under here, possibly, yep. Just drop these coils in and put a little dielectric on it. Why not? Give them a little bit, just with a ratchet. I don't like zipping them down. At least it runs. I'm just going to let it run for a little while. Ow. This 40's 10 millimeters. Clean as it's going to get on a rainy day. There's a clip back here. It was in there. Right? Yeah. There you go. Okay, everything's tight. We are good. Oh, there it is. The bottom of the injector. It's not leaking. All right. You see that? I don't know if you can even see that. It's no longer leaking. That is a fix.